In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a receives a copy recipient in DocuSign. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and look for the Start button. Clicking Start is the fastest way to begin creating a new sending workflow. Once you do that, choose Envelope. An envelope in DocuSign is the container that holds your document, recipients, and signing settings, so this is the correct option when you want to send out a file for signature, and also share a completed copy with someone else. Next, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that your goal is to send a document through the signing process. After that, upload the document you want to send. You can choose the file from your computer and wait for it to finish loading before moving on. Make sure you're uploading the correct final version, since this is the document your recipients will receive. Now add the signer. Enter the signer's name and email address carefully so the request goes to the right person. After that, click Add Recipient to include the additional person who should receive a copy. Enter that recipient's name and email address as well. This next part is the key step. Find the action or role drop-down for that additional recipient and change it to Receives a Copy. This setting is useful when someone needs the finished document for reference or record keeping but does not need to sign anything. In other words, they'll be included in the envelope, but they won't be asked to take action. Once that's set, click next to open the document preparation screen. At this point, take a moment to review the recipient list before sending anything. Confirm that the main signer is set to sign, and make sure the additional recipient is set to Receives a Copy. This quick check can help prevent mistakes and ensure everyone gets exactly the level of access they need. When everything looks correct, click Send. DocuSign will send the envelope to the signer, and the person marked as Receives a Copy will automatically receive a copy of the completed document without needing to sign it. That's an easy way to keep other people informed while keeping the signing process clean and organized, and that's it. You've successfully added a Receives a Copy recipient in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.